This is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I would like to show you how to set up the fingerprint recognition method. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the security category, whatever it is. Okay, security and privacy. Then expand the device lock section, tap at the fingerprint, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have, then set it up. Then choose your preferred notifications behavior, and then you can start adding or enroll in the fingerprint. So the sensor is located at the side power button, as you can see. So in order to scan your fingerprint and start using it, you gotta simply lay and lift your finger on and out of the scanner continuously until the entire surface of your fingertip will be scanned. Once it is, you can start using it to unlock the screen of your device, like that. The sound is kind of strange, but I guess you can easily turn it off by entering the silent mode. Yep. Anyway, so the next option I wanted to share, you can find at the display category of settings, the next two, actually. So let's enter it real quick. It is the display refresh rate, and you can set it to 60 Hz to, conserve battery and overall decrease the power consumption, or you can just set it to high value of 100 or up to 165 Hz and get silkier and smoother visuals, animations, and so on. The next option is, as I've already promised, is also at the display category. That is the peak display, or it is more widely known as always on display. For some reason, Motorola always refers to their AODs as peak displays, but that's whatever. So anyway, turn this toggle on to enable it. Then you can go into its settings and personalize its clock style. For example, I'll go with this one. You can also change some other preferences, such as animated background, vibrate on touch, and so on. Now let's make a little preview and see how it looks. Here is the AOD. The next option, anyway, before I touch it, so as you know, the Razr 40 Ultra is the flip phone. So it also has the external display right over there. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Let me wipe it clean real quick. So here is the external display that you can also customize. And in order to do that, you will need to open settings. Then go for external display category. And here you can change the lock screen clock faces. You can change the home screen clock faces as well. You can adjust what panels it has. So the panels are the thing that we can swipe to, like that. Or actually, excuse me, here are the panels that are getting displayed rather than swiping. And basically that's like the mini version of our system. It's not only lock screen or something. We can absolutely use it like that and gain an access to certain stuff. We can also gain an access to control panel, so it's a very convenient thing to have. At the external display settings, you can also change the display and font size for it, configure the app settings, manage the live preview options, and call settings as well. So just a whole page that contains all the configurations for this external mini display that you'll need. Fifth and final tip that I have, that is the only performance related one, and how you can improve the performance to be more exact. So in order to do that, enter the system category of settings, onwards, go for the performance, RAM boost, and turn on the RAM boost feature. What it does, it actually adds additional 2 GB of virtual random access memory to default 8 that you have, thus improving the performance of the system, making it so that you will be able to multitask better, open more apps, have more apps active in the background without slowing the system down too much. So just overall a very convenient convenient feature to have. The only downside that I have, I guess, is that it takes those 2 GB out of internal storage, but if you are ready to sacrifice just a tiny fraction of your storage to improve the system performance, I cannot see why you wouldn't do that. Anyway, so that will be it not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. So we highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.